The smartphone industry might be taking this full-screen phone trend a little too far. Oppo this week unveiled a prototype device featuring what it's calling a waterfall screen with no bezels on the side at all. Yeah, what will they think of next? Soon, there won't be any space left on your phone's face for your fingers to grip onto. But hey, all in the name of giving us nicer looking phones, right? Stepping back for a sec to give you a short history lesson. It was Chinese phone makers like Oppo, Vivo, and Nubia that kicked off the all-screen trend with notches to house front cameras. The pop-up selfie camera phenomenon also started with handsets in China, so it's not surprising that the race to completely eliminate bezels is continuing there. But back to Oppo. On this particular phone prototype, the two vertical sides of the screen fold at a pretty sharp 88 degrees. So when you look at the device face on, the bezels appear invisible. They're still there, ever so slightly, but they're on the edges where you'd find the power and volume buttons. And that's pretty much all we know about that. Oppo hasn't shared details like the screen size, resolution, what type of panel this is, not to mention when this device might be released. The company also did not explain how it's going to protect the screen from damage. I can already see this cracking from falling onto the floor at the wrong angle. Oppo's competitor Vivo is also working on similar tech, at least according to leaks on Chinese social media, so this design might actually gain some traction. Whether bezels completely go away, or whether screens will just merge and become one all-screen phone altogether, you can be sure we'll cover it at Engadget. So if you want to stay on top of that and more cool tech news, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.